Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today this video is a tutorial of still life behind glasses, or you may call it framed florals. So at first you are going to need some flowers. Take a old used notebook or new notebook and put the flowers onto it. Don't open it for 10 days. Then for making the frame, here I am using ice cream sticks. These sticks are available in ice cream factories. Now I am going to give those sticks a hexagon pattern. If you want to make one piece of this showpiece, then you have to make 6 hexagon, but I am making 2, that's why I made 12 hexagon. Here they are, and now we have to color them. After coloring them, I took transparent paper and stitched them onto the hexagons. Guys, I would like to tell you all that this is not me, this is my brother. I burnt my hand, that's why he is helping me for making this video. So now we have to cut them out. Now take out the dry flowers and leaves. As you can see, I am doing it like this. Now took another transparent paper and stitch it. Then cut out the extra paper. And now they are ready, but you have to do one more step. Stick them like I am sticking them for the final look. And yes, they are ready now. If you guys enjoyed our video, hit the like button, do comment, share it among your friends and subscribe our channel for more videos.